Hey there, fellow airsofters. This is Skinwalker giving you another gameplay video, and this time I'll be covering Operation Anvil, which was hosted by the fine folks at Titan Milsim. The day started out pretty slow, but the combat got heavy and the action just intensified throughout the entire day. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Truck.
That's right. I can't shoot right. We got somebody to our right. Looks like he's green to our right. That's already the green, yeah?
Yep.
That points to green. We're green up here. Yeah, okay. I'm glad I had a couple extra days to hike a little bit, dude. We got 10 moving up the road. 10 on road. 10 on the road. Yep, moving right. They're moving right. We got moving left, moving right. They're splitting off. Saw 3 or 4 on left. 3 or 4 on right.
Medic.
One moving left. Two's moving left. Bulk of the forces are moving left. We got
7 moving left.
moving left. Down below. They're coming.
Dig in, bitches.
Heads up down there, Green.
Green team, you got contact at your 2 o'clock.
They're out of our range. No, he wasn't out of range of Ryan. He moved after I hit him. That's all right. We got 2 or 3 on left.
Shit. Shit! Right side, right side!
get up and I'm gonna fucking pull back.
No problem.
Because I'm right in their range.
Still on that fucking downside of that fucking.
Oh.
Are you green or tan? Guys, move into the trees. Go, go. Move into the trees. We have no fucking cover.
They're green.
Why are they fucking shooting at us?
Green, 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 green.
Here. Watch, I'm gonna walk over there and fucking. Turn again.
Thanks for the friendly fire, guys.
Get her up. I can't team medic. You're medic?
Yep.
All right.
Duh, I threw you down. Hey, that's where.
That was a good shot on that tan guy that got me, though. Same guy that got you. That was a good shot.
I just don't know where my dead rag went. I don't know if I lost it. Yeah.
Is that tight? Kerr, is that tight?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it won't come off. Thank you.
Does anybody have an extra dead rag? I think mine must have fallen out. I just need this. Thanks, Ryan. Somehow I lost my dead rag.
I don't know. Don't worry about that right now.
What do I got on the road crossing?
Thanks.
I know, but what's on my right up there? I can see it.
Ow! Ross,
That's no way that was 5
do you
minutes.
have
on
another
that
dead
by the
rag?
left.
Mine must have fallen out.
What's that? The tan that's just walking down the road.
There might be some in the shot box.
No, he
fob box?
got shot after I did, so there's no way that was 5 minutes. I've got like 2.
I had it in my side pocket.
That's why it was not.
Nope, they're falling back.
We're up. Tan this way. Keep going that way, guys.
He doesn't carry like a package of dead rat, like a.
Now, I'm sorry to say that was pretty much the entire action of the first part of the day, which is not entirely Titan Milsom's fault. The TAN team was severely outmanned, for a lot of good reasons, whether it be publicity or whether or not people even know that Operation Anvil was happening. Either way, we were facing an enemy that was practically half the force that we were supposed to be fighting. We soon realized it turned from a ground war into a Vietnam-style shootout, which means we were going to be fighting a guerrilla war, and the enemy was going to be infiltrating our lines with small unit tactics and taking every opportunity to ambush us wherever they could. Now here's a small ambush that we immediately ran across while we were patrolling throughout the entire day.
I say all 3 saws is on the top of the rock. Dude, yeah, put all 3 saws on this right side, dude. No, for real.
Hey, Tyler, you got your camera?
Yeah.
We need to have all saws posted up, just facing out.
Oh, shit.
Hit!
Dead rag's out, boys.
Oh shit.
Good on you, fella.
Not even time to ask for this yet.
Yeah, that was. We don't have any.
Yeah. Oh, it's Sam.
Nope, never mind. Where the hell's my dead rag? Oh, there you go. Dude, good work, guys. That was fun.
Little adrenaline kick.
A little bit, dude.
No, just a sting in the ass. I can't believe you shoot.
God damn it.
What's up, buddy?
Hey Isaac.
It was good to see you, man.
Yep.
Good shot.
What's up, Tyler? I wasn't sure if that was you or your brother.
What's up, guys?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good.
Coffee, man. She still hasn't gotten her coffee.
Guys, medic. Coffee?
Yeah.
For...
Yeah, quit bitching.
Huh?
Just catching up.
I don't know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Sure.
No, for real. Just because it's raining. We should have put the flag up.
Your dead rag's still on. Todd. It's right there.
Yeah, what prompted you guys to come this way?
When you're in the game, you'd like to be called Skinwalker, right?
Either way.
Okay.
What prompted you guys?
I can call you Skinwalker.
We lost our squad and decided to do
I am a
some drag shit.
Skinwalker.
Rank way the fuck
Careful,
around.
stir your soul.
Well,
We had no
thanks.
goal whatsoever. We were
Appreciate it, Skinwalker. You can call me Emu.
Now, these two guys give us a good piece of information of what the enemy was actually doing, and how many of them there were. And this piece of information actually confirms of how severely the enemy is stretched thin on manpower.
I love that we ran into you guys first.
I know, right?
Yeah, that makes me happy. I didn't see Ryan at all at Copperhead except for one
did
time
you
in the
though?
staging area.
We had two. We killed
Yeah,
like 3 or 4.
You abandoned your team. Your team is demoralized because you left. And you
Our
got-
team abandoned us.
I mean, in my heart, I feel like a winner right now. So I'm gonna just let it go.
That's all that matters.
We said, hey guys, push left. Yeah. And they were like, nah.
Yeah, they were like, nah.
Actually, they didn't even say no, they just didn't.
They just didn't.
We told them several times. On
Yeah.
comms with them, all that.
So there you go, we were thrown into a guerrilla war style scenario, and we were patrolling throughout the entire day, which was practically boring, and unfortunately that was pretty much what we were doing throughout the entire day. I know I've said that a couple of times before, but I still stand by it. Now again, this wasn't the most damning aspect throughout the entire day, as the hosts actually made things interesting at the end of the day. We were thrown into a King of the Hill style scenario, and the green team had to hold on to the hill while the tan team was attacking. The stakes were high, and the action was certainly there.
Arm pocket, arm pocket.
It's alright, you just hit my face.
What's that?
It's alright, you just hit my face.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Who's on that side?
Are you trying to come close to me?
Oh, never mind.
Oh yeah, that's this.
Fuck it.
Good shot, good shot.
End
Fuck yeah, man. Woo! Nice one. Got me right in the hand too.
I was aiming for the chest.
Oh, it's okay because I was going like this. She probably caught me on a sweep.
So that was Operation Anvil the first day. It was a little demoralizing at first, however I did get a lot of action at the very first part of the day and as well as the very last part of the day, as you can clearly just click back and see. Now again, the amount of players who registered for the TAN team wasn't the most damning aspect throughout the entire day, okay? And I guarantee you that on the second day, a lot of surprises were kicked out and the combat intensity was surely put up to its highest level. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Alright guys, that's pretty much what I got for you, so be sure to keep those fingers on those triggers, stand by to get some, and most importantly of all, this is Skinwalker, signing off.